加油哦！恭喜3彩1条。
No problem. Follow me, Taiwan. It's a little bit different than a bicycle, no?
Yeah.
再往左边。
Oh, good job. 它有大概200岁。200 years old. 还是
对。
Oh, good job.
Hi, I'm Martin. I have been in Taiwan for 12 years, and life here is full of surprises. I come from Sweden, where the people value traditional culture and also love nature. While in Hsinchu, there are old streets full of their own stories, bountiful mountain scenery, and a group of motivated people, which makes the place such a unique region to experience. Want to know more? Then come join me in this episode of Follow Me to Taiwan. Henshan Township in Hsinchu got its name from the appearance of the mountain Dashanbei, because it looks like a lying mountain from a distance. The township has natural resources such as minerals and lumber, and the most famous scenic spot in the area, that is Neiwan, which is where I'm meeting my partner today.
Hi.
Martin.
Yes, it's Martin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sorry I'm a bit late. I hope you didn't wait too long.
It's okay.
I wanted to take the train over here, enjoy the scenic routes, adventure out a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, did you know this railroad was actually used for transporting a lot of lumber, as Neiwan was a very lumbering and logging industry-driven town, as well as the minerals and mining. And after that, this slowly started becoming more and more popular as a destination for good food and good fun stuff to do.
Wow, I didn't expect it. A foreigner know Taiwan more than me.
I'm almost not a foreigner anymore. I've been here so long, I'm practically Taiwanese.
So today I can follow you.
Come on and follow me to Taiwan.
Okay.
As the industry changes, the Neiwan railway branch line in Taiwan has now become a tourist route, and people get to enjoy different scenery as the season changes on this trail. Now, the cherry trees blossom between February and March. However, since the train only departs once an hour, do check the schedule before you go.
So are you hungry yet?
Yeah.
Oh, good thing you brought your appetite. We have lots of good stuff to enjoy. This place is actually famous for a lot of its specialties.
Haka.
A lot of old-time stuff,
Old
like
toys.
toys and candies.
Yeah.
Maybe even you remember from your childhood. Fagao.
Sticky rice cake. Try.
Sticky rice cake.
Hey,
Oh
hey,
yeah,
check
definitely
out
have
that.
to try
Yeah.
this.
Before Lantern Festival, it's a Lunar New Year. During this time, eat Fa Gao is very important because Fa means Rich.
Rich.
A lot of money.
Lots of money.
Yeah.
Everyone wants money.
So you can
对
eat all.
Lots of 发糕
Yeah.
lots of sticky rice cake.
你是哪里的？哪个国家？
他是瑞典。
瑞，好朋友，请你片吃。
哎，这么好，
没问题，
这么好，
你请，
谢谢，哎，新年快乐，
新年快乐，
新年快乐。
Since Hakka people were the majority of workers in Neiwan in the past, there is not only a lot of Hakka cuisine to enjoy, but also stores from the old days that will make you feel nostalgic. Like the sausage pinball game, popular in the 60s through the 80s, that kids used to play when they were little. Come with us and test your luck.
试试手气啊！
Playlist.
哎，10点哦。
Yeah. Food and games.
Yeah.
It just keeps getting better and better.
4颗总分哈，超过150就有了。
Oh, so we need more than 150 points, and then we can win.
紧张又刺激哈，好吃又好玩呢。
Let's see who can get the most points. You played this growing up, didn't you? You played this all. You're a professional.
Okay.
All right, let's try it out.
Yes， 哎，加油啊！
Oh.
啊耶，4颗
Oh,
，60，啊90，
哎，这样没了。
哎这样糖果1个，
好
糖果1个，
哦，
韩国一个，
是可以累积的吗？
不行
哦。
上单局的，
单局的好。
Oh, okay. Let's go again. Let's go again.
啊加油啊！
调味小香肠。哎，
恭喜香肠1条，70以下。
其实
哎，对对，
Oh,
哦，中了中了，耶！恭喜香肠又1条，来，
哎，谢谢，谢谢。
cheers.
这有蒜头，
Oh,
这蒜头，
饭都要。I really love the Taiwanese style hot dogs.
In
That's
with
such a-
garlic.
Of course, you gotta have garlic. Oh yeah, that's the best part about it.
Yeah. You really like this?
Bit of sausage, bit of garlic.
Yeah.
Now that's heaven.
In addition to snacks, there are also buildings full of old stories here, waiting for you to explore and experience. One of them is the Neiwan Theater.
I love walking around these tiny little alleys. It has such much more feeling to it, doesn't it?
What kind of feeling?
Yeah, it's just feeling like you're traveling back in time. It's a different type of world. Also, right here is a very famous spot.
Oh?
You seen this before? You've been here?
No. First time.
Yeah, well, this is a very famous spot, especially because this used to be an old theater. Right now, it's more of a restaurant, although I think they're closed at the moment. But because as you can look at the architecture and the style of this, it's got a little bit of Japanese, a little bit of Taiwanese style into
Yeah.
it. A lot of movies actually come here to shoot, to get all of this special collaboration, this little mixture of Japanese and Taiwanese, combined with the old feeling of this old street. Yeah. Tons of tradition, culture, history behind this. It's very interesting. And it looks beautiful too.
Here you can buy tickets.
Yeah, it's an old ticket counter.
Yeah.
Did you know there's actually a very famous Taiwanese movie, the 春秋茶室?
春秋茶室.
Yeah. They shot it here in Neiwan. Yeah, they used a lot of the things here because of the feeling for it.
Okay. Back home, I will search this movie.
Definitely
watch.
should. Yeah. Tons of history behind this place.
Yeah.
You can even have a little ride. Please have a seat.
It's okay.
Where to, milady?
I want to go to eat ginger lily 粽子.
Yeah. No problem. Follow me, Taiwan. really a ton of different interesting kinds of foods here, isn't there?
Yeah. Ginger lily 粽子.
Yeah, there's a lot of them here, but this one is actually the first store. It's got a very interesting story. Let's hear it.
Okay.
哎，老板。
哎，你好。
你好，我们想要买粽子。
粽子好，
我想要一个素的野姜花。
素的野姜花粽。
我也要一个素的。
素的哈。
素野姜花，可爱。
好可爱哦。
对啊。哇。
So cute.
So cute.
Mini 粽子。
Like a rice pyramid.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is delicious. It really has that distinct taste of the ginger in it as well. While still having like a lot of texture from the rice. You know, you have that a little chewy resistance, like a little flavor bomb almost. Do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah?
I really like rice. Oh, in your country, you eat rice?
In Sweden? Yeah, of course, we have rice. Not as much though. Our main course is usually potatoes. We use potatoes for a lot of things. We still have rice, mostly white rice. And most of the times it's when we eat more Asian cuisine. Yeah, but it's good. Yeah.
为什么是野姜花粽啊？在这个地方这么多野姜花？
你现在吃的这个粽叶，它就是野姜花叶。
哦，
那20几年前，就是范阿嬷70岁的时候，她创业，然后那个时候她就想到小的时候，就日据时代的时候，他们曾经有做过这种产品，所以她在那个时候就把这个东西把它拿出来做，给大家吃吃看，结果大家都觉得很棒，因为跟一般传统粽的口感啊、味道都不一样。对。然后后来内湾商圈开始的时候，他就把这个东西变成说上市来卖，就一炮而红啊。这个就变成好像是代表内湾的一个产品了。对，是这样来的。哇。对啊。
然后阿嬷70岁就创作。
对啊，现在阿嬷96岁。
现在已经96岁，哇，
对不对？
The main ingredients of ginger lily zongzi includes the powder of the ginger lily root plus glutinous rice, which makes it sort of spicy and have the aroma of ginger lily. It is so good that it went off with a bang and instantly became the specialty cuisine of Neiwan, followed by many other spontaneous dishes made of ginger lily.
In your hometown, have all street night market like this?
Oh, no. In general, I would say in the West, especially Europe, we don't have much of these old streets or night markets. We're, filled with food, etc. We only have like flea markets, maybe some farmers markets that only comes out occasionally. But there's no place like this where you can just every day, any time of the day, just come and enjoy tons of food.
Yeah.
I love it.
Fried ginger lily.
Fried ginger lily.
Yeah.
Wow. But fried ginger lily? The flour?
Yeah.
Oh, you Taiwanese really are impressive. You'll just take whatever and just make it into food. Eat whatever.
Yes.
Well, we gotta try it.
Yeah, try.
Hello， 你好。
你好。
哎，欢迎。来，我们
我
这有炸
们
野
试试看这个
炸野姜花，有的，现炸的还是我炸好的呢？
现炸。
好，你看我现炸，OK。那我现炸给你们吃。
你有吃过吗？
First time.
That's your first time?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. I don't think I've ever eaten a flower before. Have you?
金针花。
Oh.
I don't know how to spell.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I know the 金针菇。
金针菇，那金针菇，金针花。
来，野姜花在这里，新鲜的野姜花在这里，你看。
哪一个？
这个开。
啊，这有开过的，那这朵拿来看，哎，这是开过就是这样子哈。啊，这是含包的来。Thank you.
Look at that. It really is the flower.
Yeah.
Wow, with the petals and everything. Oh, wow, it smells.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells very, very fragrant. I think you could eat this raw?
You can try.
I don't know. 哎，老板，这个可以生吃吗？
生吃好像很少人生吃，大家都是拿来煮来吃，煎蛋，来。Thank you.
Oh, all right. Let's try this out. Fried flower.
吃起来有花的味道哦。
How does it taste?
At beginning, fried food, crunch.
Yeah, very crunchy.
Yeah, and after taste flour.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of that
Yeah.
floury aftertaste.
Yeah.
To it. Have you eaten any other fried flowers?
Popcorn, 爆米花.
Bao mi huan. Yeah.
It's a job.
Yeah, yeah, not bad, not bad. That's a good flower. I like that.
Do you like it?
I like this too. Yeah, very good. Very interesting.
Yeah.
I do hope that Man-shu has replenished her energy now that we've had so many local snacks. Because next, we are going to a place which I like very much, and it will consume a lot of her energy.
Alright, here we are.
Wow, horse.
Horses, yes. Today, I'm gonna take you horseback riding.
Oh?
Have you ever been on a horse before?
No. But when I was a kid,
Yeah?
I in the maybe like park, a little pony.
Oh, they have the pony riding.
Circle.
Yeah. You have a person leading you
Yes,
around,
yeah,
a little kid, yeah. But never a big horse. Never a grown up adult horse.
I ride 铁马.
Iron horse. You ride iron horse. You like motorcycles?
No, bicycle.
Oh, bicycles.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's fun too. I mean, actually, horse riding isn't that difficult. It's very much like riding a bike, actually. You just sit up on there. The horse will do most of the work. So, are you afraid of horses?
No,
No.
biking.
Excited. Yeah, I love horses. I love all animals, especially horses. Very friendly animals.
Why he were so dramatic?
So dramatic. You mean their clothes?
Yes.
It's a very traditional archery outfit. Also back in the war times, you know, this is the soldier's outfit. They have many different styles depending on country, depending on culture and tradition. Let's ask them and see what this specific outfit is for, shall we?
I like horse. When I was kid, I have a dream. I want to be a prince.
A prince,
and
not a
ride-
princess.
Not princess, prince.
A prince.
Ride on the horse and handsome.
Like on a white horse, a
Yes.
prince. Yeah. Well, I got a surprise for you because today we're not only gonna be horseback riding, we're also gonna do archery on a horseback. We're gonna do horseback archery. Yeah. Have you ever done archery before?
No.
Never. Oh wow. So you're gonna get two dreams fulfilled today. You're gonna get to be on a horse and you're gonna do archery.
Okay.
I'm excited. Are you?
Ready?
You're ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mounted archery, which was once a hunting activity and a formidable military force, is now seen as a sport. Now, there are many mounted archery games held in different countries, such as Japan, Korea, and Poland. In Taiwan, this is the first place where mounted archery was promoted as a sport.
You look so cool.
Right?
Yeah. Why?
Well, this is actually called 飞鱼服.
飞鱼服.
Yeah, it's
Oh?
what the emperor of the traditional emperor would give to the ministers and the other people there. It's more of a traditional archery clothing because right now we are going to do archery.
Okay.
And this gives you more power, makes you hit it much better. It's gonna be good. All right, let's get our teacher in here. Hey, 教练好，你好。
你好，
你好。
哎，今天是要教我们射箭，是不是？。
对，我们的弓，
嗯。
我们握左手就好，我们用左手来握弓，
哦。
然后等一下我们右手是握剑的，把面就在前方。然后我们等一下使用的是我们很传统的 射法是大拇指射法，就是
大拇指射法
对，扳指式射法。
所以不是这样用这种的手指，
这种
不一样的。
对，这种是偏欧洲那边比较该用的。我们比较常用的就是大拇指射法。
哦，大拇指。
对。
那用大拇指的是需要特别注意到什么吗？
我们握弓叫前手，拿箭叫后手。我们在射箭的时候，前手向前推出去，往你的靶面指出去；后手向后拉，靠到腿角。
As instructed by the coach, we hold the bow with our left hand and place the arrow on the arrow rest with our right hand. We push the bow forward before aiming at the target while pulling the bowstring to the side of our lip. And we shoot! Sounds easy, right? Let us show you what we're made of. Wow, look at that! Bullseye! Wow, you're really good at this, aren't you? Doing a good job.
Same, but different. I'm
Same,
better.
but different. Yeah. For some reason, I just keep going on the right. You're really good at this. You sure this is your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
You've never done archery before?
Maybe in the dream.
In your dream?
And I told you I want to be a prince, so when I'm in the dream, yeah, practice. Yeah.
So dreams are good practice. I should dream more about archery. Dream more about making money, being good at stuff. Yeah. Although this is just practice. Later on, we're gonna be on the horseback.
Okay.
And that's gonna be different because, as you know, when you're on the horse, it will be a bumpy ride.
Oh.
Right? Very much difficult. So we'll see. It should be good.
Okay.
All right, we are ready to get up on a horse. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. You've never been on a horse before, right?
Yeah, never.
So I have Chen Laoban here.
Chen Laoban.
He will show you the ropes, how to get up on the horse, how to stay on there. Make sure you have nothing to worry about. Take you out for a little stroll, ease you into it.
Okay.
Yeah. But I already know how to ride, so I'm gonna take my horse and I'm gonna go practice a little bit, take a couple of laps around, and once you're ready and comfortable, I will see you out there.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
You ready?
眼睛就看着正前方哦，就是马步走，你用脚后跟，你的脚后跟去顶，往后顶，然后直接往内顶，顶到它肚子，它就会走。Up, up, up,
It's a little bit different than a bicycle, no?
Yeah.
up, 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 up。来，准备两只手来 ，up, up。
Wow.
哎，你一定可以 ，up, up, up, up。
So do you think you'll be able to do some archery? Do you feel like a prince yet?
Yeah.
Now that we have learned archery and horse riding, and we can also free our hands while on the horse, while still keeping our balance, it looks like Man-shu is riding like a real prince. Well then, let's let the mounted archery begin, shall we? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
It's time for the big game here now. All right, so we're gonna have a little archery here, all right?
Okay.
Yeah? I'm gonna go first, so give it a little feel. I'll promise you, it's not too difficult.
Okay.
So it'll give me, you can just watch me for a bit, and then it will be your turn. All right?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Whoa.
Ah. All right, now it's your turn.
Yeah, my turn.
那我们打骑射的时候，尽量就是一个盯个靶，等到靶的正面该放箭。
Nice. Look at you go. You got this.
等一下到靶的正面，靶的正面。嘿，
Woo.
好嘞。
Nice. You got this.
很好。
Woo! Welcome back. How was that?
Very fun.
Very fun.
Yeah.
You want to go again?
No, I think Angel is tired.
Oh, you think Angel is tired?
Not me.
Not you. You can go 10 more laps.
Yeah, but she's tired.
Yeah, she's tired. She needs a rest. But it was fun, no?
This is my first time to ride horse and archery. At first, if not you take me here, I think I never do this thing. Yeah. Because of you and the coach. So I think I'm very safe, and so I can relax and enjoy this space. Have wind with wind.
Oh, you got to put him. Angel likes you too. Angel wants to take you home.
Yeah.
Like, come with me.
All right. After all, since Man-shu has practiced many more times than I have, I mean in her dreams, it does make sense that her performance is better than mine. It is not a bright and sunny day today, but I actually prefer the misty forest. The mist highlights its charm and vitality.
The mountain air really is different, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, as a kid back in Sweden, I used to always go out in the forest, climbing trees, building tree houses, playing around in the dirt. What about you? Were you a city girl or did you grow up in the countryside?
Oh, I grew up in countryside, Yunlin.
Oh, in Yunlin?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really countryside.
Yeah, my hometown look like this area, but not trees, bamboo.
Ah, bamboo
Yeah.
forest.
Panda.
I love that.
No panda.
No pandas. Ah, I love pandas. Too bad. But it's still, you can walk around the forest, watch all of the animals,
Yeah.
the plants. 哎，峰哥你好。
嗨，马丁，你好，你好，你好。
哎，这是我朋友，
哦
曼素。
好，曼叔，曼叔你好，你好。
哎，我有跟他介绍一下，说你是一个传奇人物，因为你之前就是工程师嘛。
是是。
对，现在你就住在这个森林里面嘛。
是我以前是工程师，没错。然后大概2007年认识一群会绳索攀树的老师，所以从2007年就在做这个绳索攀树，探索 canopy。 就是树冠层的生态，所以现在在推广这个绳索攀树或者是徒手攀，让大家了解大自然其实很棒，尤其是大树，有很多的生态，树冠层的生态这样子，让大家了解。台湾是森林的故乡，这么美好，要让更多人知道。
Have you ever climbed a tree?
When drought.
I've tried a little bit. Have you? It's a tall tree, so just
small tree.
A little
Little
tree,
tree.
taking one step up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, today we're gonna be challenging you to go up this huge tree. Also, it's a very special tree.
是 mango。
Mango.
Mango tree. Have you ever seen such a big mango tree?
I think mango tree.
Right? They're usually tinier. You know, you can easily pick the fruits off. This one, it's so tall.
Tall.
要，它有大概200岁。
200岁
200 years old. Grandma mango.
那因为我们来这里之后，认识很多奇人啊，很多故事，然后就是其中一个就是能够跟树沟通的人。我为什么会找这个沟通的老师来跟树沟通？最主要是我们在这里办攀树活动，被人家质疑说我们在爬树在伤害树木，所以我就一整块。那朋友介绍我说，这个可以跟树沟通的人可以解答你的问题。王姑奶奶很高兴，有人怕她。她说，你知道全世界人类现在都不快乐。 那爬树的人都很快乐，他让人类很快乐，他很有用，所以他觉得踹他的没什么小伤口而已，但是带给人类快乐最重要。我听得很感动，我奶奶原来她有灵性了，就是我后来就是随时每天起来在森林就感谢森林。
The plant whisperer also told Fonga that when people were paving the road 20 years ago, Grandma Mango's roots were badly damaged, resulting in her bearing no fruit at all for 20 years. However, after the whisperer talked to her, Grandma Mango magically started to bear fruit again, and her tolerance for tree climbing humans also amazed Fonga.
因为它是心电感应，心电感应呢，所以就是你不用讲出来，在心里想就好了。 亲爱的芒果奶奶你好，我是峰哥。今天我跟我的朋友马丁还有曼叔想要来爬树，想要爬到你的身上，感受你的生命力。我们再次的感谢你，也祝福你。
Grandma Mango, my name is Martin. Thank you for letting us climb you today and enjoy this beautiful day. We're very grateful for you being here, taking care of all of us, the forest, and we look forward to having a enjoyable time together with you today. Thank you.
Grandma Mango, thank you. My name is Man-shu. Thank you supporting us, protecting us, leading us, complete today's activity. Thank you. Love you.
上到树上呢，事实上，我们不是这样爬，我们事实上要穿装备，而且是安全的。两位呢，一个人一件，就是把它穿起来，稍微让大家自己尝试一下啦，因为这是来自美国的 PA 探索吊带啊，所以你要
探索吊带，自己探索。
对，我自己也是自己探索起来的。那你先穿一下，然后我马上再跟你讲。好，就是穿一下这样子。果然就是。马丁跟曼叔穿的方式就不一样，他就是专业的。
Put on the diaper.
它有点像尿布一样，他要把裤管制造出来。对，它这个地方呢有铁环，所以是要把它穿起来。把腰带束紧。
好的。
This is probably the first time you're up in a tree like this, isn't it?
Yes, my first time.
How does it feel? You're already hanging in the air.
I think you're kidding me. You told me take me to have a rest, but now, why?
Well, wait until we get up there, then you'll see what I mean.
Okay.
Our goal is this branch up there. Do you know how to climb up? Like a caterpillar? Yeah, pretty much. You look like you do some sports, some exercises.
Yeah, I do yoga, Pilates.
Much more for you, the mobility and relaxation. But, you know, it requires some strength and core as well. Doing different poses,
I think
hanging.
my muscle is strong.
Yeah?
Okay.
So this will be no problem.
No problem.
All right, should we race? See who gets up first?
Okay.
Ah!
After, not easy. Okay, and you?
Okay, I can't. Like, this is no problem. I pull this up, and up we go.
Okay.
And then we do it again. And then we get up. We'll see you up there.
Tree climbing is an activity that demands body coordination. Although Man-shu seems to have no confidence before we go, she's able to get the hang of the activity really quick, and there is no doubt that she will enjoy the joy of climbing trees really soon.
Just a little bit more. Almost there.
Okay.
Hey, looking at you go like this can't be your first time.
It's really the first time.
Wow, well, you're a natural. You got a little monkey in you, don't you?
Okay, I like monkey. It's unfair.
Why?
You're taller than me.
So?
And you climb again, or maybe over me 30 centimeters.
Yeah, but you're lighter. I've got more weight. I gotta push up.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. And I think we have arrived.
好的。
Great view up here, no?
Yeah.
Makes you feel like king of the jungle.
Yes. I'm the king of the jungle.
Today you're both a prince and a king.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of exercise, but now we're up here, we get to enjoy it, relax, breathe.
I know why you take me here and told me, please rest, because dream climbing to here, really tired. So now I can relax.
Yeah, and enjoy the view.
Yes.
It's actually originated from the logging industry, the woodcutters, you know, and the ecological surveys where they had to climb up really high into the trees to be able to survey out in the wild. And you know, as it later then evolved into more of a leisurely activity. As you can probably tell, it's actually surprisingly a lot of fun to get up in a tree, sit up here, you can relax and watch the nature. So it's evolved into becoming a leisurely activity, and it's also great for children. You know, children, they love climbing up in trees. This is a safe way for them to do it, while also learning a lot about this. So yeah, it slowly evolved into being this very common thing where you can get up in a tree, get closer to nature, enjoy a bit of fresh air.
Like Grandma Mango said that now most people unhappy, and here, come to here, can relax and enjoy the nature. So I think I get a peace.
It's always nice to reconnect with nature.
Yeah.
Living in the city, the bustling life, it's very easy to get distracted and forget that actually we're all part of nature. So it's really important to get back here to the roots and really be in nature, feel with it. Wonder if we can see any animals from here. I'm sure there's plenty of squirrels and I don't know, other kinds of birds. Maybe some monkeys.
Monkey?
There are 2 monkeys here.
Nah, we are monkeys. Now, how to get down?
Get down from here?
Yeah.
You jump.
Okay, you first.
Okay. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's the same way that we got up, just in reverse.
Oh.
So instead of pulling it up, we go down.
Okay.
For real though, you can actually just jump down.
Really?
Yeah, just go for it, jump.
1, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! See? No problem. Just like a swing.
Yeah.
And then you just pull it down and you go slowly down. Woo!
Oh.
There we go. See you downstairs.
Yeah.
After meeting the tree climbing coach Fengge, the caretaker of Nature Valley, we are going to discover more about his initial intention behind why he bought this forest and how it became the first environmental charity trust registered in Taiwan.
我是地主之一啦，我们身上有3个人。当时台湾在开发，就是做经济发展的时候，就是森林都没有顾虑到他们的保护嘛，所以整个低海拔森林大概都被砍过一遍。后来缘分就找到这个地方，觉得可以把它买下来，做永久的保存这样子。而现在就这个用的方式叫信托，叫 National Trust。这个方式是在英国1895年就开始在做，然后我们台湾我们是第一个案例。
Taiwan has the highest density in terms of fern species in the world, as there are nearly 700 species here. And of course, in this conserved forest, we will also see plenty of them. On the other hand, as the plants are bountiful, so is the animal diversity. And if we are lucky, we might also see some species only found in Taiwan coming out from the nest boxes.
峰哥，我想问，就是这边看起来是蛮原始的，保护得非常好。那假设如果有外国朋友看到我们节目想要来玩，是可以的吗？
是啊，可以，我们非常欢迎的。那因为在做生态保育，所以就是采预约的方式。其实我们这边第一个来这边做实习的大学生就是来自德国，就是外国人这样子。
I want to thank my good friend Fengge for giving us such a special nature lesson, filled with many touching moments. As to where to go for our next stop, Man-shu said she would take care of it, and I have a hunch that this place will serve as a very suitable end for our full-day journey.
Today you introduced me a lot of traditional food and horseback archery.
Yeah.
And tree climbing.
Yeah. Got food, we got activities, tons of fun stuff.
Yeah. So now my turn. I show you a very good place.
Ooh, you got a surprise for me.
Yes.
Ah, sounds interesting. What is it?
I'll give you some hints.
Oh, okay.
Very suitable this weather.
Suitable for this weather. Okay.
And you can hear some sound.
Here, the water, yeah, it's got the river.
Okay, guess what?
Suitable for this weather, water. Could it be a hot spring, maybe?
You are so smart.
Well, I do love a good hot spring, especially for this weather. I mean, Taiwan has so many great hot spring places.
You know?
Of course, you got like the Beitou, you got Jiaoxi, Lüdao, Green Island even has some. You have some great spots in Taidong too. Hot springs everywhere.
You know a lot.
Yeah, it's great for the body, relax, feel at ease. It's good for your skin too. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to a hot spring here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Follow me.
You take the lead.
Go.
Since Taiwan is situated in a place where continental plates converge, almost every city has hot springs. And to be honest, even though I am from Sweden, I actually hate the cold very much. So hot springs are just perfect for people like me who just can't stand the cold. Yeah! Woo! I've been looking forward to this. Wow. Oh, man, that feels amazing. Oh, you got it?
Nice.
Oh yeah, this is super comfortable. Love hot springs.
This hot spring is very famous in Hsinchu. And this hot spring is sodium bicarbonate hot spring. Also called beauty hot spring.
Beauty hot spring.
You know why?
Why? You tell me.
It's very good for skin. So after this hot spring, you will become very beautiful, handsome.
Oh, I can't wait to become beautiful. No kidding. It is proven by doctors that bathing in hot springs does have many benefits. In Taiwan, many seniors like to go to hot springs to maintain their health, as having good blood circulation can improve the immune system. Some people might even go all over Taiwan to enjoy the hot springs because they are just so convenient here.
A lot of hot springs around Taiwan, from Taipei to Pingdong, everywhere.
Absolutely, I totally agree. I love hot springs. I've also been to hot springs all over the country already. We don't really have hot springs in Sweden as far as I know. Maybe some really in the north, but most people never go. My first time in hot spring was also when I came to Taiwan.
Where?
Oh, my first time, I think it was in Beitong. Yeah, it was probably my first. Especially great after such a full day of activities. We've been doing a lot of things today.
Yeah.
The natural minerals found in hot springs are different from place to place, and the ones in Hengshan Township are sodium bicarbonate hot springs. Since the amount of bicarbonate ions in them are 10 times higher than the minimum standard, they are effective to heal wounds caused by burns and scalds. Hence the title Beauty Hot Spring is well deserved.
Yeah, we had a great day. Started out with lots of food, got some culture, tradition around the old street. Yeah. Then the horseback archery.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Never really tried that before, but yeah, it was cool. Makes you really feel like an old school archer.
At the beginning, I was a little nervous, but the coach is very kind, and I did 2 hours time. After practice, I'm very proud by myself because I can do 2 things of ride horse and archery. Tree climbing is my favorite. I really love forest. I think when I can play there, my soul can connect with everything. I can feel Mango Grandma. When Bongge told the story, I really moved. Yeah. When my child grows up, I think I will take him to train climbing. It's really good. Today is a really special experience for me because a foreigner took me to Hsinchu. It's very surprised. You really know a lot about a lot of Taiwan.
Well, Taiwan is a very special place to me. I really enjoy it here. Thank you for tagging along today. Getting to know some of my friends here in Hsinchu. Hsinchu really has a lot of interesting people, beautiful nature and scenery, tons of delicious good food, as you know, and so many things to do. Yeah, I really enjoy it here in Hsinchu, and I recommend anyone who gets the chance to come here and experience all it has to offer. So, recommend you to come to Hsinchu and follow me to Taiwan.